Hi everyone, I just got my booth all set up for the craft fair. So it's September 2024, and I'll just show you. A lot of you have watched my videos so that you've already seen some of this stuff, so I'll just kind of go through it. These are welcome friends with popcorn, and these are gnomes with candy, and then Bugs and Kisses. I finally found the Halloween kisses today, so I'm going to make Halloween ones tonight. Then those are my Play-Doh Make a Monster. That's my cauldron with candy. These are the little acrylic boxes with the Hershey's Kisses. And little containers with candy and toys. And then these are my little cutting boards with candy. And these are my beaded pens. And then here's the poem. Cute. And then I have these friends and family welcome. I have these two little plants. There's no place like home. And I have Boo the Germs Away. And these are socks. Then there's my M&M tubes for Thanksgiving and Halloween. And then I have these ghosts, and I got these banners at Walmart, so I just glued them on. And then those are from Hobby Lobby. These cheese boards come with a knife. I got those at all $1. And then I added some dressing and some crackers. And then there's my little scarecrows, some wood lattes. These are a Thanksgiving poem with M&Ms. And my spider jars with caramels. And this is the candy corn that lights up. And that's a cute gnome. And then my M&M jars. Those are my skull mugs. And then I got these tumblers at Dollar Tree. And then these are the candy corn candles with the candy corn. And there's my Germs Are Scary with hand cream and a fake finger and a bone. And these are my masks for your face. And these are some clocks I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And then there's the poem. And then these are my treat boxes. And Bath and Body Works soaps. One of my spooky movie night baskets. It's a pumpkin. That'll be on a video that you can watch. And then there's my Witch's Brew. And these are a couple of little planners from my shop. And here's my blood donors want to see the count in the syringes. And cookie mix and a spatula and a cookie cutter. And then those are the Tie Beanie Baby keychains. And more of those containers. And then I have two more spooky movie night pumpkin baskets. And these are the treats with those push thingies, push pop thingies. And there's a Tie Beanie. And then out here, I have my potion bottles. These are on a video, and so is this. This is another smaller version of the spooky movie night. So that's a look at my booth. I think it turned out really cute. So it starts tomorrow, and tomorrow it goes Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I will be making stuff every night and restocking my booth because it sells like hotcakes. So All right. Well, thanks for watching. I did want to just point out some of the things I use, you know, for my displays. Got that at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. And then the crates I've had for years. I probably got those at Joann's. And then I stained them a white. So I use my crates a lot. Hobby Lobby. I think maybe Joann's. And Hobby Lobby. And then this is from, my old booth was these walls. The whole thing was these walls. Or these wire walls, but they just got too much and too heavy and hard to carry, and so I sold all those, and then I just went to this 8x8 canopy, and you just put the walls around with Velcro, and it's a lot easier to set up. So, okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you later.